Alright, so today I'm going to be telling you how to use the SketchPad tool to show your students your work or whatever. So today we're going to be doing what is 10% of 200. So go and write that down, alright? So the first way is the tape diagram, alright? So what we're going to do is make a long rectangle. I know, my drawing isn't the best. With 10 lines, right? Because it's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, alright? And then we're going to put, does 10 work? So then we're going to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That doesn't work. Since we're already halfway, we're not even near. So let's double that and go for 20, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, right? So now we're at 200. So 20 works. So that would be how you do that would be how you get the answer for the tape diagram. Alright? So the next way we're going to do is to change the fraction way, right? So what we're going to do for this is turn 10% into 1/10. Alright? And then we're going to do the same with 200, alright? 200. And then, alright, so how many times does 200 go into 1? 0 times, right? So that would do nothing to 200. Now let's try 10. How many times does 10 go into 200? 20 times. So then your answer would be, once again, 20. Alright, and then for last but not least, number 3 is going to be this. So we're going to do 10% is equal to, let's just pretend there's a percent sign right there. It's equal to 1/10, right? As a decimal right there. And then times 200 equals, oh wait, I have to put 200, I forgot. Equals, what am I doing? Well, whatever, it's supposed to equal 200, and then instead of the decimal being right there, we move it up 1 to right there. So for this one, we would then get 20 again. Alright? Oh wait, no, wait. It's 1/10 right here. And then times 200, yeah. And then that would get you to 20, and yeah. So then that's your answer. And that is how you use SketchPad. Alright? Good luck.